Something that I also do during the mixing process sometimes too is I'll put a gain on my master, and you know, as the rise of the song goes from the start of the rise to the drop, I will reduce the gain by like 2 or 3 dB. Sometimes I'll reduce the tops and lows, sometimes I'll reduce the sides and make it more mono, just so that when the drop hits, it's really like there's a really serious contrast. It really can transform a song just doing that, and it's a subliminal thing because it happens very gradually.
2 to 3 dB, eh?
Sometimes that much, but it's important to do that before your limiter. You're probably gonna be clipping, and also when you look at the waveform, I don't know, I just don't like the look of like a waveform actually like getting smaller. I like the look of a waveform like being more dynamic, still maxed out, but having more spaces. That contrast is crucial, and I think it's something that's pretty often overlooked. The worst thing is having a rise that's louder than your drop. Especially in the live setting, it's embarrassing.